health-conscious foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 3 Greek yogurt recipes for weight loss. So let's get started. So wait, before starting Greek yogurt recipe view, we introduce you with alpha-liin, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 3, Greek yogurt and spinach stuffed chicken breast. We're starting with a savory Greek yogurt and spinach stuffed chicken breast that's sure to satisfy your cravings. In a bowl, combine Greek yogurt, chopped fresh spinach leaves, minced garlic, lemon zest, crumbled feta cheese, salt, and black pepper. Mix until you have a creamy and flavorful stuffing. Carefully cut a pocket into each chicken breast and stuff it with the Greek yogurt and spinach mixture. Secure with toothpicks or kitchen twine. Stir the stuffed chicken breasts in a hot skillet until they're golden brown on both sides. Then finish cooking them in the oven until they're cooked through. It's a protein-packed and flavor-rich dish that's perfect for a satisfying dinner. Recipe 2, Greek yogurt and cucumber tzatziki. Let's move on to a refreshing Greek yogurt and cucumber tzatziki sauce that's not only delicious but also versatile. In a bowl, combine Greek yogurt, finely grated cucumber, minced garlic, chopped fresh dill, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. You can also drizzle a bit of olive oil if you like. Mix until well combined. It's a creamy and tangy sauce that's perfect as a dip for veggies, a topping for grilled chicken or fish, or a flavorful dressing for salads. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 1, Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Let's wrap up with a Greek yogurt and berry parfait that's not only colorful but also packed with antioxidants and protein. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, a handful of mixed berries, a drizzle of honey or agave nectar to desired, and a sprinkle of granola or crushed nuts for added crunch. Repeat the layers until your glass is filled. Top with a fresh mint leaf for a pop of color and freshness. It's a sweet and creamy treat that's perfect for a guilt-free dessert or a satisfying breakfast. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get alpha-liin? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!